Hi everyone, thanks for your interest. The following video is just a preview of the platform itself and the demo experience. The demo is free and allows you and your team to join and eventually lead your own unique Huddle Up experience. We're on a mission to transform the way teams collaborate and learn, and we have a really unique platform to make that happen. So if you like what you see, and you want to leverage the power of interactive learning, schedule a free demo for your team. With that, let's jump into a preview of the Huddle Up experience. Hello everybody, my name is Derek Luby. I'm the founder of Huddle Up Learning. Welcome to your personalized demo, a chance for you and your team to see the power of Huddle Up Learning and how it can transform the way your team collaborates and learns. Before we get started, there are a few items to preview with you. You're already logged in as a user. Hopefully, your colleagues have also joined to experience the interactive learning. And someone on your team should have already received an email to be the project leader for this demo, so you can all see how easy it is to customize Huddle Up to fit the needs of your organization. As a reminder, this demo is a bit unique compared to a typical Huddle Up experience that you would create. For starters, your team is joining an active project with fictional users. So while your team can interact with each other and the fictional users, they of course will not respond. What you will find is that your team can test drive Huddle Up and interact together to get a small sample of a better model to build a collaborative community. It's a model that's focused on taking action together as we share ideas and feedback to learn from each other along the way. And it's a model where the group's thinking and ideas can be easily archived by everyone. Because learning today isn't about what you know, it's about what you can do with what you know and how you can share that information with others. Remember that Huddle Up has flexible formats. You can use it as a standalone platform for resources, ideas, feedback, and data, or you can integrate it with your existing LMS, so your users never have to leave your platform. Lastly, you can use Huddle Up to organize large communities, which contain separate Huddle Up projects for smaller groups within. As you can see, this demo happens to be split into 3 separate sections with a focus on mid-level leadership. But you can create as many sections as you like. And remember that Huddle Up is content agnostic. We want you to consider what sort of content and experience you'd like to create for your team. Actually, we gave you a 4th section where you can do just that. Explore Huddle Up as you open up each section and complete tasks. You'll notice that users take action by completing runs to share their thinking. And huddles to share their feedback. Each answer is copied into the feedback hub, where it's possible that users can view each other's answers and learn from them. It's this sort of interactive learning, focused on solutions, that fuels Huddle Up. It's what allows a user like Jim to see the solution of his peer, Pam, so that he can learn how she solved the problem. And Jim can even learn from the aggregated feedback that Pam's peers gave her from the previously completed huddle. It's feedback that is both qualitative and quantitative. It's feedback that helps Pam, it helps Jim, and it helps the entire cohort learn together. But the interaction doesn't stop there. You'll see that every run gives the opportunity for open feedback for users to share with each other. There's a separate chat for each task, where users can share questions and resources with the entire group. And of course, they can send each other direct messages as well. And all of this interaction is saved and stored for each user. And we've made metrics and reports to measure the participation levels for each user. After you've explored the 3 sections in this demo, you'll see we've shared a few more ideas and use cases to help spark your thinking. Setting up your own Huddle Up project or building on this demo is easy to do. We've shared a few helpful resources and links to our setup guide where you can learn more. And lastly, when you join as a project leader, you'll be able to add tasks here and let your team get a small sample of Huddle Up's interactive experience. So with that opening message, it's time for you and your team to explore the demo. Get a feel for how Huddle Up can change the way your team collaborates and learns. Enjoy.